It's something we don't want to think about, but think about it we must. The we being you and us, the expert workforce at Orange Fire Protection Group. We begin by discussing with you your bespoke requirements and devising the ultimate in fire protection for your premises. It's then that we get to work, using our unparalleled knowledge and know-how paired with the very latest technology. We can design the system that is right for you. Once that's complete, our very own manufacturing team creates all the custom-made components for your project. Wet risers, dry risers, and sprinkler systems. All bespoke creations and expertly handmade to ensure that you're getting nothing but the absolute best for what you require. With technological advancements occurring all the time, our staff are regularly briefed to bring them right up to date with the latest products and improvements. Combining this with the servicing we offer ensures that we can guarantee that when you invite Orange Fire Protection Group to look after your people and premises, you're getting the best in fire protection. And for less than you might think. Orange Fire Protection Group, the fire suppression specialists.